Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. This week's happens to be a celebratory giveaway, yay! Because not only have we hit 3,000 amazing subscribers on YouTube, we have also hit 10,000 members on our Facebook group, which is fantastic, over the moon. And I'll link that group down below. But here's a sneak peek at what you can win, which is a nail art drawer set full of beautiful goodies, which I will go into more detail in a moment. But for now, grab a cuppa, take a look at what all you can win, and then at the end of the video there is some terms and conditions and just sort of giveaway info so that you have all the information you need to enter. Okay, so taking a look at the top drawer, which is filled full of gorgeous colourful things. So this is a really kind of summery, sort of spring summery kind of drawer. And in this here we have some nice little shapes. We've got some glow pigment in there. We've also got some of the little fruit Fimos as well, which are super cute. We have some little pips, little multicolored pips. We have some little leaves, sort of like little coloured sort of maple leaves. We have some little neon shapes, as you can see here. And then we have some really cute dots as well too. And having a look at the glitters, these are all our newly released glitters. We have one of my favourites, which is Juicy Fruit, which is a beautiful, beautiful kind of multicoloured neon, pinks, greens, beautiful. That's Juicy Fruit. We have Rainbow Rebel. We have Tiki Tropics. We have Boho Babe. This is a kind of really nice peachy one. We have Sugar Pop. And we have Popsicle. And then we also have Dippy Hippie, Lava Lamp, Miss Miami, Sundays, and Pool Party. So that's our first drawer. Now for our second drawer, and this here is filled with beautiful kind of richer tones. So we have some of the sort of chameleon shards. This one here is Ignite. This is Aurora Borealis. This is Tide Pool. This is Fever. This is Sahara. And this is Stellar. Along with, you have Halo, which isn't even on the website, it's limited edition, this one. Along with these here ones here aren't actually on the website. This is Rockin' Rhubarb. These were limited edition from our advent. Winter Sky, which is beautiful. Pop Tart and Brandy Snap. And then we also have then some of our core colours, which is Gold Digger, which is a beautiful hollowy Cool Tone Gold, Copper Pop, Dusky Pink, Fizzy Fuchsia, Purple Rain, and also Prom Night. Then moving on then to our third drawer, which is all these beautiful, almost bridal-like tones. And so we have Paparazzi, which is a nail confetti, you can see, it's gorgeous. We have some Mylar, so standard Mylar, which is gorgeous. We have some Pearly Mylar as well too. We have some confetti as well, which is an opal. We also have some Rainy Day, which is the little sort of clouds and the raindrops, which is really cute. We also have some of our fairy tale stars, which are really lovely. And we have some diamond dust as well, which is beautiful. Love diamond dust, it is a staple. And then we have some angel dust, which gives the most beautiful shine to your nails. We have some of it. And then as well, we've got Snow Globe. We have some crushed opal. We have Once Upon a Time, which is one of my favorites. I just love this. Oh, it's so beautiful. We have Heirloom, which is a sort of chunky cool gold. And we also have some sterling as well too, which is actually a chunky, although the wee chunks are actually in there. You can't see them too well on the camera, but it is a sort of chunky-ish silver, so really easy to encapsulate. That's sterling. And then you'll also get yourself a Natalie Mugridge Nail Sugar Detailer as well too, which is super fine and fantastic for drawing really fine details and lines. So yeah, that's what you'll get as well. Okay guys, so that is everything that you can win, and here is some giveaway information. It is open internationally, and to enter all you do have to do is leave a comment in the YouTube video comment section below. Entrance must be over 18, and it closes 8 PM 31st of May 2020, and that's GMT time, and a random comment picker will be used to choose the winner, who will be announced on the 3rd of June 2020 via video. It's not essential, but please consider sharing on your page or your group, etc. I would be so grateful, because the more the channel blossoms, the more fun giveaways that we can arrange. So all's left to say is good luck everyone, stay safe, keep healthy, and I will see you all again next week. Bye.